We're just 3 days away from the official launch of the Vivo X200 series, which includes the X200, X200 Pro, and X200 Pro Mini. The launch event, themed far beyond imaging, will take place on October 14th at the Beijing National Aquatics Center, also known as the Water Cube. Vivo has promised an upgraded camera experience across the series. Key features of the X200 Pro include a refined to 0MP periscope camera with a 135mm focal length and a new telephoto super stage mode, showing impressive results even at 20x zoom. All models will benefit from enhanced telephoto macro modes and a dedicated super landscape mode. The X200 Pro will debut a custom 50MP YT818 sensor developed in collaboration with Sony. Plus, the series will support live photos compatible with Apple's format. On the video side, expect cinematic slow-motion recordings in 4K at 1 to 0 fps, along with 10-bit log across the full focal range. The new phones will run on Origino's 5 and feature the latest Dimensity 9400 chipset. Stay tuned for the launch.